Hello everyone, my name is Ghazala and I'm back with our series on making authentic food from every state of our country. We started our journey by making authentic recipes from Jammu and Kashmir, followed by the recipes from Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Today, we will continue our journey with another mouth-watering recipe from Rajasthan. We are making dal today. The most famous from Rajasthan, Dal Panchmel. This particular dal is made by mixing 5 types of lentils and has a wonderful taste and texture which can be enjoyed with rice, roti or naan. Very delicious. You will know when you make this yourself. But before we start making this, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like my videos and share them with your family and friends. Thanks a lot. Now let's start cooking delicious, very nutritious and irresistible Dal Panchmel. Let's make it. So the lentils we need to use in this recipe are yellow split gram, red lentils, this is split chickpea, black gram split and pigeon pea. These are 5 kinds of dal we can use in this. This black gram lentil is with the skin, which actually adds to the taste of this dal. Now we are going to add all the lentils in pressure cooker. We'll add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Whichever kind of dal you're making, please do not forget to add turmeric powder before you boil them or pressure cook them. I have learned this from my grandmom. Now we are going to pressure cook this lentil for 2 whistles only, not more than 2 whistles. We need to crush these green chilies and ginger. We just need to crush them and not make it into a paste. We'll add 1/4 cup of water and run this blender for about 2 to 3 seconds. And this is the texture we wanted. It's just crushed, you can see here. Now in this crushed spices, we'll add degi mirch powder. If you don't have degi mirch powder, you can add Kashmiri red chili powder. We'll also add coriander powder and mix it well. Keep it aside to use it in this recipe later. Now few more spices to crush. We'll take a teaspoon of pepper and about 6 cloves. Crush them roughly. Add about half teaspoon of salt and start crushing them. It just takes a minute and this wonderful crushed spices are ready. We'll keep this also aside to use it later in this recipe. Now it's time to crush some garlic. We'll crush this for about a minute. We'll keep this also aside to use it later in this recipe. So all the preparation of masala to use it in this dal is ready. Let's check the pressure cooked dal now. We have just cooked it for 2 whistles only. And this is the consistency of the cooked lentils we wanted. Dal doesn't taste good if it becomes paste, so keep that in mind. Now ghee in a cooking pot. We'll just wait for it to melt. The stove is on medium flame and it's time to add cumin. Never heat the ghee on high flame and never cook ghee until it comes to the smoking point. Just need to be warm. Add half teaspoon of asafoetida. The stove is still on medium. Now it's time to add crushed garlic. We are going to cook these crushed garlic until it starts becoming pink. And when you see these garlics are turning pink, add these crushed pepper and cloves. Cook for about 5 seconds and then we'll add the masala we made. We are going to cook this masala until it starts leaving ghee from side. You can see here the masala is very well cooked. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes and a tablespoon of salt. We are going to cook all this together again until it starts leaving the ghee from the sides, and also until the tomatoes are dissolved in this masala. You see, every authentic recipe has almost the same ingredients, but the magic of bringing out the flavor of these authentic recipes is to know when to add or the steps to add the spices into the recipes. This masala is fried well and it has started to leave the ghee on sides, and it's time to add the pressure cooked dal with water. We are again adding a liter of water into this. We have only added half liter of water in this dal. We'll mix this well together. Please do not forget to add hot water only, and then again add half liter of hot water into this. We are going to mix this all together again. This dal tastes best when it's of this consistency. I'm going to show you later in this video about the consistency of this dal. And once the dal starts boiling, we'll add dry mango powder. Mix it all well together. Now it's time to add a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Again, we are going to give a good stir. The stove is on medium flame. We have cooked this dal on medium flame only. We are going to wait for this dal to start boiling, and then we'll cook this for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of cooking this dal, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, and this dal is ready to be eaten. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing this to show you the consistency of this dal should be. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you all next week with last video from Rajasthan. Take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers, and have a very good day. Bye-bye.